Hello, I'll be giving a presentation today on Buckminster Fuller by me. My name is Crystal Machado. Welcome to my presentation. So Buckminster Fuller was an American architect, designer, and inventor. He was born July 12, 1895 and died July 1st, 1983. He developed technologies that do more with less. So let's look at some of his contributions to society. If you've ever seen this dome-like shape, that was all Fuller. It was heavily influenced and drawn by Fuller. He created the geometric dome that is still used in many buildings today, like this, or that geometric dome that we see on playgrounds. Fuller was environmentally conscious. He used building techniques that would leave little waste and minimize the damage to the environment. He applied this geometric dome to houses and cars. So let's look at some of them. This is the Dymaxion development units. These were used during World War II to shelter radar crews. He developed them and they could be made cheaply and quickly. Then he also developed the Dymaxion car, which was a three-wheel car that can make very sharp turns. Let's look at another one of his great contributions, which was the knowledge doubling curve. In this theory, he states how knowledge has been doubling every century. That was around the 1900s, but then at the end of World War II, knowledge was doubling every 25 years. In 1982, Fuller said knowledge would double every 12 to 13 months. We now see, and he predict that knowledge will be doubling every 11 to 12 hours. This is very evident in today's society. Let's look at technology. So if you look at the latest phone, or the biggest rage of phones in 2007 was the BlackBerry Curve, and now to today's time, which is the iPhone, the 2018 iPhone XS, we see that knowledge has tremendously grown, especially in technologies and in phones. At first we just had buttons and a typing, and it wasn't touchscreen. We still had apps, and now we have touchscreen, 3 phones, 4 cameras on 1 phone. So Fuller was definitely correct, and we still see it in today's work. Here are my sources, and next time you see any of these or any dome shape like this at a playground, you can thank Fuller. Thanks for watching.